Hey guys, so I want to do a quick video on this type of light bulb after I found this kind of weird work light. It's made to hang just like a regular shop light, but it's got like two halogen lights in it. And this is the type of bulb we're talking about. The number on the bulb itself is an R7-1. This is also known as a J118. And the 118 is 118 millimeters is the length of these. There's different sizes, so you got to pay attention to the different sizes and the wattages. So these are, like I said, 150 watts, and I didn't know it until recently. Had never really thought about it, but there is a LED upgrade for these. This is just one of many styles, but this is like the closest to, in looks, is one of these. But some of the other ones look more like a, if you know what a corn light is, like a corn bulb. It's got LEDs like all over it. And it depends on what type of bulb you want and how much of a wattage you want. But these are only use 10 watts, but they're the same brightness as these. Another advantage with these are daylight color, which are also available in the cool white or warm white colors too, like the original type are. So these will provide more of like a yellowish light, like an old incandescent bulb, or this is like the modern daylight like what I'm using in the garage here, which I much prefer. But they install the same. You see these are the same length, but you got to pay attention to the length of the bulb to get the exact replacement. And this has just a spring-loaded socket on one end, very similar to how 8-foot fluorescent bulbs are. You want to do this with it unhooked and everything. Very bright. This is the cover that goes on it, and it's very bright. But the main purpose of this video is just kind of sharing the information that there is an LED bulb available as a replacement for this type of light fixture. And not only this type of light, if you get them like double work lights, they're on like a tripod or like a handheld base, same thing will apply to that. Now, these are halogen bulbs, and there is no ballast in this light. So if you have like any type of different bulb that looks similar to this, you know, make sure that there's not a ballast in it, because these do not require a ballast. And there are plastic ones available too. These are glass, just like the original ones, as far as I can tell. And so yeah, you gotta be careful with them because they will break. And you also gotta note the orientation of it. Like the actual LED bulbs are probably just on one side of it, so you gotta, because you don't want the light shining back into it, you want it shining out to get the most reflection out of it. Let me go ahead and change the other one and we'll look at it. Alright, so that's with all the lights off in the garage and kind of get an idea of how bright they are. And they're not nowhere near as bright as like these 4-foot lights I got up here, but you know, it's just something else that I could put in the spot that needs a little more light, or just use it as a portable work light or something too. So another little note I wanted to point out, this is the specs of the type of bulbs. It says uses 150 watt or smaller 120 volt type J bulb. And the reason for that is for heat, because these bulbs get very hot. So these are obviously available up to 500 watts too. And these are 150 watts, so you could upgrade something like this to a 500 watt equivalent bulb and still be using way less wattage than the original bulbs and get more light out of it. And you don't have to worry about the wattage on these, because the equivalent wattage is different than the actual wattage, and LED lights run super cool compared to halogen or incandescent or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can easily upgrade like a 150 watt light to 500 watts and still be using way less energy and not having no risk of damage to the light or starting a fire or anything, because there's like virtually no heat compared to these type of bulbs. So this is the specs for the light, the brand of it. It's Regent Lighting Corporation. I made this. I'm not sure how old it is, but probably not available now, but in case anybody's curious of who made it. Well guys, I just want to make a video on that just to kind of share that information with you. So questions, comments, suggestions for any other videos, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you later.